In this video, I will show you how to make a professional website in Canva. Let's get started. To start off, I begin on the Canva homepage and navigate to the search bar at the top of the screen. I click inside the box and type in website to search for available website layouts. As the initial search suggestions appear below, I move over to the right and click on See All next to Canva templates to open the full collection. Once the main library loads, I scroll down to view the templates. To narrow down my options, I head back up to the category filter tags beneath the search bar and select Portfolio. This filters the gallery to display clean portfolio layouts. I scroll through the choices, locate the Creative Portfolio template, and click on it to open it inside the Canva editor. When the editor opens, all 12 pages appear along the bottom strip. Now I can start customizing the design elements. First, I click on the background of the main slide to open the color palette in the top toolbar. I select a blue-green shade from the photo color section, and then click Change All at the bottom of the panel to apply this background color across all pages. Next, I click on the title text, Creative Portfolio, and select the text color tool from the top menu. I choose white to make the heading pop, and click Change All to update all text across the design. Then, I move to the personal details on the left side, highlight Graphic Designer, and replace it with Video Editor, and update the default name to Sarah Thomas. After updating the copy, I select the portrait photo in the center, click Edit Image in the top toolbar, and open the Shadows tool in the side panel. Here, I choose a shadow style and adjust the color slider to give the subject a clean, customized outline. Next, I scroll down to the second slide titled Personal Introduction. I click on the background, open the color panel, and select a green shade to give this slide its own distinct look. Finally, I click the Share button in the top right corner, select Download from the menu, keep PDF standard as the file format, and click the blue download button to save the website design directly to my computer. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to make a professional website in Canva.